Get back to work.
Let's get back to work.
Shouldn't I get back to work, madam?
Please get back to work.
Just get back to work.
Maybe I should get back to work.
Get back to work, quickly.
Are you ready to get back to work?
I have to get back to work.
Well, girls, been nice chatting. I gotta get back to work.
Get back to work. We have a hotel to run.
I should get back to work and mind my own business.
Wanna play some ball? Nah. I gotta get back to work.
Come on, son. Let's get back to work.
And I'll just get back to work.
Trevor, not yet.
I gotta get back to work, but good luck.
Okay, bye.
It's getting kind of late. Shouldn't we just get back to work?
Okay, you win.
Just let me get back to work, okay?
Okay. Just be careful.
I'm not giving up on you. You don't understand this yet, but people need you. So let's get back to work.
Whatever's going on here, I just need to get back to work. If you let me go, I'll just forget all about it.
I'll have you back to work in short order, my friend.
Get back to work.
I will, Mickey, I will. But I intend to enjoy myself first. Well, some of life needs to be for pleasure.
Thanks for visiting.
Thank you, honey. I better get back to work. How you think my son could afford to live like this?
I've given you 371 jobs, and you have been fired from 370 of them. I think it's time you get back to work, my little failure.
Get back to work.
Lupo had nothing to do with it.
I said, get back to work!